Hello folks, Andy here. Welcome back to the boat build. We're only making the unit that's going to hold the Morse controller. So we've got some plates. You get a template and what have you with this, so you've got to cut it out so this fits in. Now I've got this cut out, fitting from behind. Bit fiddly just there, a bit tight. It wants a bit more dressing up on that, but it's not a problem. So that's how it goes. The cables are going to come along here and down there. And down there. Go on the other side. All the bliss of life's counted out. My body's older, but still my heart is beating the same as from the start. There's nothing else for me out there to find, so I keep riding 'cause I'll never die. I'll never go under. Beyond the clouds, I'll be remembered for who I was and what I accomplished. Okay, we've got everything tacked up now. I've tried it in. That plate. What's happening? That plate sits in there after, and we'll have 3 holes in there, countersunk. So tapped holes, so we can get to the mechanism on the back of there if we need to. It's easy, just take that out, run the cables up, connect them all up, then just put the plate back in. So the cables run there and down there, and then that's a shelf for when you sat up back and you're having a gin and tonic or something, or a cup of tea. So I'm going to get this welded up now. I'll never die, I'll never go under. The size of the signs, you see them all over. Say it, don't give in just yet. You're almost there now. Don't give in just yet. You're almost there Morning folks, Andy here. Welcome back to the boat build. Got these 2 units I've been making ready to go in now. I've got the Morse controller unit ready. And the panel that contains the control panel and the vent, etc. That's ready to weld in, so we're going to get them welded in now. So the Morse controller's going there. I've just put a bit of white paint behind it where it's going to cover, and then the control unit will go up there next to the door. So that's today's job, get those 2 in. I still wonder from time to time if I am fooling myself with lies. It's creeping up on me sometimes that I should stop and just resign. But honey, where would I go? 'Cause I've been closing all the doors. I got stuck in the high tide. Gotta have faith in that. I'll never die, I'll never go under. Beyond the clouds, Right, that's that all welded in now. So just wants a bit of a fettle up, get rid of the spatter and that, get rid of the snots. So next one is this bulkhead here. Get that unit in. I've got to get some angle on back at bulkhead because it's got a bit of a little bow in it. So I need to push it straight, angle line down the back, just because we've never got around to doing it yet. So that'll be flat then. This unit will go tight up and we'll have that welded in. That'll be 2 units done today, bolt. So bit of a progress there. Alright, anyway, it's time for bacon butty and a cup of tea at the moment. So we'll see you in a bit. That's it then folks, that's welded in. Just wants a bit of a fettle, get snots off, and that's it, done. It's all tapped up, ready for panel to go in and that. So now we're going to look at top there, above hatch. Want some runners in for top hatch to slide on. So we've got some 40mm angle, and we've got a length of brass which will go on top, so that'll have to be drilled and countersunk, and then the angle iron on the top will be tapped so we can attach it to it, and that'll give a nice smooth sliding hatch instead of like on my boat where it's steel on steel, and a lot of boats are, and it grinds and not very good. So we'll have a nice sliding hatch, so we'll get on with it. Right, we'll get on with that sliding hatch tomorrow now. So thanks everybody for liking and subscribing and commenting, etc. It's nice to see comments from people, so thank you very much. And if you're not subscribed, you don't want to see Rest at Build, why don't you subscribe, and then you get a message when there's a new vlog out. So we've got lots to do yet, all the boats fit out internally. So anyway, that's it for today folks, so see you later, ta-ra.